guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye, enjoy the video. And Jeffrey, he's driving, so you got Coach Kimmi right now. Hey guys. So, what's going on in these notary streets? You know, I always got a story. That's why I'm live. I always got a story. We'll let YouTube do what it does. They got to notify you that we are here in the flesh. Uh-oh, mi amor. You need some water? So, yeah. So, today we are talking about what to do, and we're going to talk about oaths a little bit. Oaths, okay? O-A-T-H-S, oaths. How to do it. Is it even really required? Hey guys, welcome. A lot of times people say, you don't have to do that anymore. You don't have to do that. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And we do it. So let's talk about what is an oath. The oath is required on certain documents. Excuse me, I just ate some pineapple. Hey, Mrs. D, what's going on? Good morning, Sister Kimmi and Brother Jeff from Las Vegas. Yes, I love Vegas. I got a chance to go out there last year. Just for a day or two. Yeah, I was already out that way, so we drove over to Vegas. But I like Vegas. Mrs. D, I don't remember. Are you a notary? Hey, Lori W. How are you? How's it going, Lori W? So, yeah, so let's talk about the oath a little bit. So, oaths are required not on all documents. A lot of times, like I said, I hear younger notaries saying, well, you don't really have to do that. That's old-fashioned. But, no, you do need to do it. Hey, Urella, Lisa, what's up? Yeah, we do need to do the oath, okay? So, question for you guys, are you actually doing the oath? Are you actually doing it? So, let's talk about it. So, I just had a client, and when I typically say my oath, it sounds something like this. Mr. Smith, and I have them raise their hand. I make it a full ceremony. And, I'll say something like, Mr. Smith, can I get you to raise your right hand for me? They'll raise their right hand. I raise mine. And again, all of that part may not be necessary, but you know I do the most. And they're looking like, what? Most of the time, they're not even asked to do it. Oh, so they still in shock. But when I tell them to do all of that, raise their hands and stuff, they're like, what's going on here? Oh, this is serious. And that's why I have them do it, because I want them to know that this is a serious occasion. So anyway, that being said, today when what it sounds like. So Mr. Smith, if you raise your right hand for me, I raise mine. And I'll typically say, do you swear that the information in the documents is true and accurate to the best of your knowledge? Something like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Your state may have something in your handbook. You can feel free to practice it. But that's just a general idea of what I say. And they'll say yes or no. So today my client says, I don't swear to God. I do no swearing to God. Ooh, uh-oh. So now what happens? What do you do? How do you handle that? Let me get your comments. Let's see. Lori says, I'm going well. Just had a referral from another notary that could not get to the location. It is very beneficial to help other notaries out. It helps to expand our mentorship later. But she brought that up. It's true though. That's another whole form of income, another stream. You know, I ain't sitting around trying to pay my bills on that. But I already know that sometimes throughout the day, somebody might call me to go do a job for them. So that's why it's good to connect. Or I also may need them to do a job for me, right? Or even I might need them to serve as a witness for me. So it's a lot of different scenarios and why it's important to connect with other people. Yes, are they really the competition? They are, but we believe in collaboration over competition, okay? And that's a new little phrase going on, but that just means let's play nice together, okay? Just because I'm doing well doesn't mean we all can't do well. Just because you're doing well doesn't mean I can't do well. We work together, and then both of us should blow up even more, you know? So Lisa is saying affirm. Yes. So that's what happened today when I did the oath. Back to the oath. Thank you for sharing, Lori. So that's what happened today with my client when he says, I don't do any swearing to God. I said, okay, no problem. I said, or affirm, you know, you're in agreement. He was like, yeah. So I don't want you guys to get in a tizzy if that happens to you. Sometimes people will say, well, how do I know? They'll let you know just like he did today. He wasn't mean about it. I didn't bug about it. I wasn't like, what? What you mean you don't do that? You know, why you don't do that? That's not my business. The man told me what he was going to do. So I just changed up the words just a little bit, okay? We actually go over that in training too. We are not the God police. We are not the oath police. People get the right to tell you what they going to do. And then we got to do a workaround, right? We got to do a workaround. So what questions do you all have for me, if you have any today? I'll tell you a little bit about mentorship. I won't be here long today because I just got a few different appointments. I have a translation that I'm trying to work on. This lady just called me about doing translation services. If you're not doing translation services, you probably need to be in mentorship or check out my course. I'm going to tell you about that in a minute. So this lady needs 2 documents translated from Spanish to English. She wants an ASAP on that. Now, the company that I use, I can do that for her, but I think they charge like an extra $50 almost. So I got to see if she's willing to pay that. And even though she needs same day service, I still got to get my fee. So I was getting ready to tell her it's probably going to be like $200. $50 for them. I want $50. And then each document, no, it's not. And then each document is going to be like almost $30 to $40. I think it's like 30. Okay, so I don't actually, not perfectly, but I speak a little bit. But I don't translate documents typically because sometimes they need a actual translator. Okay, and I have been a translator in some companies, but you got to be cautious. And I go over that in the course because sometimes they need a professional, and other times it don't matter who do it. You know, you just got to fill out an affidavit. But in her case, and I didn't ask her what she needs it for. I typically do. What is it for the government? You know, why do you need this document translated? If it's just for my cousin up the street, you can't see? No? If it's for their cousin up the street, they need a translator or something, that might look a little different, you know? Hey, S-Up, dude, what's up? So I'll tell you a little bit about mentorship. So many of you are still wondering, how do I properly acknowledge documents? You may not even know what the word acknowledge means. You may have your commission, your stamp, and you still don't know what to do. Excellent time for you to get coaching from me and the team. To pay us one-on-one, the price is pretty out there. But you can get weekly live coaching for myself or Alexis or Jeffrey, whoever's teaching, and coaching/training every week. So we always start off with a topic, and then we open it up for general coaching, and it's very successful. Our members are doing very well. I just released the mystery shopping course. You can get it separately or part of the membership. Yes, this is the exit. Or part of the membership, and start adding mystery shopping. We had one person in the group. She signed up one day and had her first one 2 days later. Like and subscribe. So yes, we're pretty excited about how our notary mentorship program is going. So do we have any new notaries here with us today? I know we got a few members that are in the group. Want to say hi, Jeffrey?
Hey people, how y'all doing? Good to see y'all this morning. Is it morning still? Oh,
it's still, yeah. What time is it?
12:20.
All right. So any questions? Any questions for us? What else is going on? So mentorship, I'll go back to that really quick. So we have a $27 price point entry or $47. Again, that's live weekly training no matter which option you choose. You could always upgrade, you know, when you're ready. The all-inclusive package includes your apostille course, field inspection, mystery shopping, ink fingerprinting. Somebody asked me that in the comments the other day.